Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in this one we are going to be talking all about Solana. Now guys, I have to mention this on my channel, but I was a Solana investor. I had bought a lot of Solana when it was at $100. So I am losing quite a bit of money at this moment, but I'm not really scared about that because I believe in Solana and I believe in the community behind it because it is absolutely insane and it is growing bigger and bigger by the day. By the way guys, if this is your first time on my channel, make sure to drop a like and subscribe because we post daily videos, and from today onwards I have decided to post 2 videos instead of 1. So you're gonna be getting more and more content on my channel. You're gonna be getting to know about the insights, price predictions, gaming, altcoins in general, in a much more depth, and more content will be available to you guys. So all I want from you is to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already so that you do not miss a single video of mine. Anyways, let's go back to CoinGecko and check out the price of Solana and how it has been basically doing, because it has fallen from its top 10 ranks in the crypto space. Now that is basically because of FTX, because FTX, or say Alameda, which was basically owned by the founders of FTX, was basically the largest holding. Like the FTX holders were backing Solana as a coin, and they were the ones who got on into this project when it was like in its early days, like $1 to $2 or even lower than that. So those were the guys who grabbed the opportunity to get onto this coin, and they were the ones who promoted it to mass audiences and ultimately made it go mainstream. Now, the current price of Solana is roughly $12. It is up by nearly 7.6% in the last 24 hours. Now, this is mainly because of the crypto markets in general. And, I'm not really into this price increases, which happens like 10 to 20% increases, because I know the potential of this project. And a lot of people have invested into this project because this project has a massive mass adoption, and it is scalable, it is secure and everything like that, and it is one of the platforms, or say the blockchains, which I have personally used as well because I was big on Solana NFTs in 2022. But now this is a new year, and we have to move on to bigger things because project has dropped a lot from its all-time high. Now if you take a look over to its market cap, you will be able to see that it is still well established with over $4.4 billion in market cap, which is absolutely insane. The trading volume is one of the highest I have ever shown on my channel. Its 24-hour trading volume is roughly $600 million. Now guys, don't get me wrong, but this 24-hour trading volume is bigger than the majority of the crypto projects market cap in the crypto space, which is absolutely insane because the amount of market cap which some projects do not even have, or say 99% of the projects don't even have, this project is getting that trading volume in just 24 hours. So it has got a lot of attention around it, a lot of fun around it. But if you are safe, if you do your research, and you get to know about the insights of the project, I will say that this is still a good buy. Now I know it has dropped from its all-time highs, it has all the FUD, but I still believe it's a really good buy in my opinion. Now, if we scroll down on the 7-day charts, you will be able to find that we recently had a small pump, as you can see, like 2 days ago, or say on 2nd January actually. So just one day before, we had a bit of a pump in the crypto spaces, or say in Solana in general. So it pumped from like $10 to like 11, and now it is reaching almost $12. So that's like a 20% gain if I'm not wrong, which is pretty decent. Now if you take a look over to this, like its all-time high of $260. Now as you can see that we are still down by roughly 95% from its all-time highs. Now guys, don't get me wrong, this project is down a lot from its all-time highs, but so are the other coins in the crypto space as well. I mean, look at Gala Games, look at every other project which I have mentioned on my channel. Most of those coins, and I will say 99% of those coins, are already down by like 95%, 93%, and even 99% from their all-time highs. But I still tell you every time that these projects are still a must buy, and you should be getting into them as soon as possible. Now why do I say that? Because I believe those projects can be used by the masses. It can be getting mass adoption. But a project like Solana, which has already received mass adoption in the previous years, and just because of this major scandal, you could call it, like it has been down because of that. I don't see any reason, because this project has that potential to go mainstream, and it has done that before as well. And I truly believe this coin will be reaching its all-time highs in no in the next market rally, or even in the next 10 years, because I believe in Solana in longer time frames, and I had invested into Solana thinking that it might be going all the way to $2,000, and sitting right beside Ethereum in market cap, because it is much better than Ethereum in every form. Like the NFT trading volume is better on Solana. You can find out all the charts from Google, but I can 100% assure you the trading volume on Solana was absolutely insane. It was crushing Ethereum in that aspect. The transaction fees are better, and everything is almost better than Ethereum in every aspect. Now guys, let me take you over to their website. Actually, first of all, let me open their max chart and show you like from where it has fallen. As you can see, this is a graph which we have been seeing on majorly every crypto which I have mentioned on my channel. They have a massive pump when the Bitcoin rally goes, and when big money flows into Bitcoin, the coin reaches its all-time high, and when the bear market comes, all of these coins fall. So I mean, you could be saying that this coin has a lot of FUD around it, and so and so and so, but guys, I truly believe that actually nothing really bad has happened to this coin, because everything is perfectly fine. They have been improving their network recently. Everything, their validators are getting more and more. Everything is going absolutely perfect for the project. So I don't really see a reason why you shouldn't be getting into Solana if you like to if you want your money to be invested into a really decent project. Now, if you go over to the website of Solana, you can see it is powerful for developers and it is fast for everyone, which is absolutely insane. Bring blockchain to the people. Solana supports experience for power users. Basically, you can check that out. As you can see, join a community of millions. So over 11.5 million active accounts are already there on Solana. As I've already mentioned, the NFT community were pretty insane on Solana. It was becoming like the NFT hub. So as you can see, 22 million NFTs have been minted already, which is absolutely insane. And if you check out, Magic Eden's, which is one of the biggest NFT platforms out there in the Solana ecosystem, you will be able to see that their daily volume is still going pretty decent, and it is pretty much equal to when Solana was at its all-time high. Now, the average cost of transaction on this blockchain is practically zero. As you can see, it's 0.00025. So basically, you will have to, go through a lifetime, and even after that, I will still doubt if you have spent like $1 on Solana transaction cost, which is absolutely amazing, because Ethereum's transaction cost are like $20, which is, I mean, pretty horrible if you ask me. Now, it is made for mass adoption. It is fast. It is decentralized. As you can see, 2,700 transactions. It is updating live. So as you can see, it dropped nearly a bit. So the transactions speed is pretty good. The transactions per second is pretty decent. Validator nodes is pretty good as well. It is scalable as well. As you can see, these are the live transactions. Like the transactions keep on going bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. As you can see, we have about 129 billion transactions on Solana, which is absolutely insane, and it is increasing by the day. So when you watch this video and go over to the website, it should be in like 130 if I'm not wrong, or in the higher 129s, which is absolutely insane. It also has a 0% net carbon impact, which is also pretty decent and also good for the environment in general. As I was saying, you can check out their NFTs, their DeFi, their payments, gaming in general, their DAOs. Like some of the biggest DAOs are built on Solana. Now, Monkey DAO is a DAO which I have been in contact with. At one point I held their NFT. So I know like big things are happening in this project, and this is just the starting. You can join a thriving community. As you can see, they host like a lot of events. They had 11,000 participants in the Solana Hacker House. They had 48,000 developers building during the Solana hackathons, and 3,800 were Solana Breakpoint was held. So I mean, the project is constantly building, and more and more developers, more and more artists, more and more NFT projects are being built on Solana. And I think this should be a must buy if you want to invest into a great project which has fallen primarily due to basically FUD, and you could call it a luck as well. Like, this project was really unlucky in that space because they have been doing everything right. As you can see, they are powering tools and integrations from companies all around the world: Discord, Google, Magic Eden, Meta, or say Facebook, or say Instagram, Stephen, Stripe. So all the major companies are already on Solana, and it was only because of FTX this project has primarily fallen. Now, how much money would I want you to invest into this project, or how much money I would recommend? So first of all, I wouldn't recommend you to go all in right now, because I believe that the coin can be going down, but it can also be going up in the next few days, or say in a few months. So I would suggest you to DCA your investment into Solana if this is a project you want to take a look at. In total, you should be spending about 1,000 to about $5,000 onto this project at max, because I think that is the amount everybody basically can afford to maybe even lose, because I can afford to lose that amount, so that amount is for me. But put the amount which you don't really bother losing. So personally, I have about 1,200 Solana. Let me check out the price right now, which is about $15,000. Now guys, my investment, as I've already mentioned, has been going down, but majority of my investment are on these lower price points. So I'm not really like losing hundreds of thousands of dollars onto Solana, because I'm just DCing my money into that, and that is why it is primarily important. So guys, if Solana goes back to its all-time highs, let me see and how much your money can basically be increasing. So $11 to about $260, I believe that is about, wait, how much that is, let me just calculate that real quick. So 260 divided by 12, which is about 21x. So we are going to be taking that 21x, that we are going to be getting a 21x when this coin reaches its all-time high. And the amount of investment of mine, which is about $14,000 or say $15,000, if that goes like that, I will be like, my investment of 15,000 roughly will be worth over 300,000, which is absolutely insane, because I see this project going to that levels really soon, and I'm in it for the long term, as I've already mentioned on my channel. And that is going to be pretty much it from my side. So you already know how much money I've invested into the into the Solana ecosystem, and how much bullish I am on Solana in general. And yeah guys, that is going to be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to drop a like on this video, and also subscribe, because let's try to reach 1,000 subscribers, as that is my really big goal which I have set. And I think we're going to be reaching that sooner or later. So why not subscribe, join the community, and also join the Discord if you haven't already. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.